Hello everyone, we're at Browns Falls today. We've just come from Daggs Falls and Queen Mary Falls. It's meant to be a 600 metre walk alongside Spring Creek. It starts off by going through this tunnel, which is quite cool. From what I've heard, it's not really much of a marked trail. It's more just like got little markers and stuff that help you go along the creek, but obviously you just walk along the creek the whole way, so you can't really get lost. Oh, a bit of fallen debris and stuff. Anyway, I'll see you a bit further up. It's 600 metres each way, so shouldn't take too long. I've just come across what is the first of what will be several stream crossings. Obviously the creek isn't exactly raging through, and it rarely does, but it is worth noting that, as if it was in flood, this walk would be probably a bit dangerous. I'm entering a particularly scenic part of the walk, approaching a little cascade in the creek. Really a beautiful area. Another cute little cascade on Spring Creek. No more than a couple of metres high. Well, I made it to Browns Falls. It's a really nice spot, about a 15 metre plunging falls into a really nice little pool. The walk ended up being quite scrambly. As you can see down there, it's pretty much just a rock hop the entire way, so it wasn't an easy hike, but wasn't too long, and as you can see, it's definitely worthwhile. Really nice waterfall. The light isn't great as it wasn't at Queen Mary Falls earlier, but it's still really pretty. Well, I'm just leaving Browns Falls now, and I thought I may as well wrap up the video here. As you can see by the route I'm taking, it's not that easy of a walk. I expected it to be a bit smoother, but there's a lot of down trees, and a lot of the time you're just basically walking up the creek and boulder hopping. I would recommend better footwear than the thongs or slides I'm wearing, but in saying that, it is only 10 or 15 minutes each way, so it's not long and it's very worthwhile. I had a nice little dip in the pool there and it was really nice. It's a really gorgeous area, this is. So that'll be it from me. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time.